Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kunal Nigam, Head of Department for ENT, Voice Disorders and Cochlear Implants and Head and Surgery. Here I am to discuss an interesting case of a female in her early 40s. She came to us from Iraq. She had a surgery done in Iraq of total thyroidectomy. Unfortunately, both the recurrent laryngeal nerves were damaged, due to which she had difficulty in breathing and difficulty in speaking. She was in dire straits.
أنا أفراح علي من العراق. أجريت عملية شلت الغدة الدرقية. طبعا العملية كانت فاشلة، وجيت لهنا أجرالي الدكتور كونال مشكور. رغم أنا جيت من هناك لا أقدر أحكي ولا أقدر أتنفس طبيعي، والحمد لله. وأشكر مرة ثانية من الدكتور كونال والمترجم أبو عبد الله نزار.
جينا هنا للهند عن طريق المترجم أبو عبد الله نزار، ووصلنا للدكتور كونال وأجرى لنا عملية في مستشفى سنار الدولي.
We planned a surgery in which she could breathe easily also and keep her as normal voice. Now that's the biggest challenge in such cases, because either you can go for the airway or you can manage the voice.
We electively exercise the airway by putting a tracheostomy tube. Putting a tracheostomy tube outside the neck. Basically, her vocal cord were spared for the ENT surgeon to be operated. And so that operation was done under full general anesthesia with elective tracheostomy to avoid the fight of airway sharing between anesthetist and ENT surgeon.
والحمد لله والشكر كانت العملية ناجحة بجميع المقاييس، ونشكرهم شكرا جزيلا للدكتور كونال وللمترجم أبو عبد الله نزار، ونشكر كافة الكادر في مستشفى سنار الدولي من الممرضات وعاملي الخدمة، ونشكرهم شكرا جزيلا.
यहाँ पर जब हम पेशेंट लेकर के आए तो यहाँ के जो स्टाफ्स हैं और जो नर्सेज की सर्विसेज हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी सर्विस है। यहाँ पर सारी नर्सेज बहुत एक्टिव हैं। अगर इनको फ़ोन किया जाए या बेल किया जाए तुरंत आती हैं, तुरंत जो है पेशेंट की केयर करती हैं।
Initially we had planned a tracheostomy followed by a posterior cordectomy, modified posterior cordectomy. She responded well. Now she's off the tracheostomy tube, she's breathing well, she's speaking well, and very happy with the results. I want to congratulate the Sanar International Hospital team, the staff, the nurses, the anesthesia team for doing a wonderful job. I'm very happy. The patient is satisfied and is now on her way back home to her children.